Hi, I'm Adam Zuckerman, attorney and founder of Buried in Work. Welcome to our estate planning and end-of-life Q&A series. Here are 3 things to know about what not to do right after a death. Let's start with the first thing to know. Don't move money around just to keep things going unless you know you have legal authority. That well-meaning step can create repayment demands, beneficiary disputes, or executor liability later. Next, here's the second point to remember. Don't clean out the home aggressively. People accidentally throw away wills, deeds, military papers, insurance policies, and account statements, and replacing them can take weeks or months. And finally, here's the third point that is often overlooked. Don't make irreversible decisions while you are exhausted. Selling property, giving away heirlooms, or signing agreements too quickly often leads to regret and family conflict. Before we go, one final tip to keep in mind. When in doubt, pause, document, and verify authority before acting. For more information about common mistakes to avoid after a death, visit buriedinwork.com and open the After a Death Information Hub. If you're considering an estate and end-of-life organization system, Buried in Work's Clear Kit is trusted by professionals and families nationwide.